Hey everyone, Tyler Kramer here again. We're doing a quick video today on how to connect your phone, in this case an Android phone, this is a Samsung Galaxy S8, to your Bluetooth stereo. This vehicle that we're demonstrating it on is a 2018 Dodge Challenger 4-wheel drive. But this is the procedure that will work for just about any Bluetooth capable stereo out there. It's a pretty straightforward process. Let me walk you through it here. First off, you're going to be down here with the phone option. It's going to ask you, would you like to pair a phone? This is if you don't have any phones paired yet. So you're going to select yes, and it's going to tell you, start pairing procedure on your phone or Bluetooth device. So make sure your phone or device does have the Bluetooth on and open. It's going to say, look for Uconnect, and the pin is 4964. So, right over here, you can see Uconnect. It's going to come up with a menu as soon as it starts pairing, and it's going to ask you, is this the device you want to pair? Now, when it does, there you go. It's going to give you a pin number on both the device and your stereo. As long as those pin numbers match, sorry for the shaky video here, this is hard to do, yes and OK. It's going to ask for permission. Now, if this is your vehicle you're pairing on and you don't mind, always allow that permission for you. What that's going to do is allow your contacts, phone calls, text messages, and everything to sync right with your car stereos to help with your hands-free use of that device. Now, it says this device supports phone and audio. So what that means is I'll be able to play anything on there. Now, you can see up here at the top, Tyler's phone is connected. So, now that I've allowed it, it can actually set favorite contacts to use straight from this screen, or, let me see, media here, and go right to the media, and it says connect device. Well, there's one already connected. Just touch Bluetooth, and you can see, there it goes, my phone connected right there. And it will automatically start to play if your settings are set up to do that. And there you go. And then, at this point, you don't even need the phone. There you go. Now you can do just about everything else from here. You can figure it out yourself. I would hope. It's pretty straightforward to do. Alright? There we go. Once again, I do apologize for the shaky video. I'm trying to do this on a rather large tablet, and it's harder to do. I can't really film everything all at the same time. But now that your phone is connected, sorry about that. Now that your phone is connected, you have all the same options right here from your phone. You can touch your phone. There's your contacts. You can access your messages, your contacts. It will actually read your text messages out loud to you. That way you don't have to take your eyes off the road at all. You can even turn on Do Not Disturb mode up here, as well as reply with certain text messages while you're driving. Please do not text and drive. Remember, it can wait till you're done. Get where you're going. Call or text safely from a stopped vehicle. Again, this is Tyler Kramer, Elkhart Auto Guy. You guys have a good day.